Patrick Burke, pitcher, Montgomery College.
Andy Rozylowicz, I'm a pitcher at UMBC.
Brett Simon, catcher, LaSalle University.
Brady Adam, pitcher. I went to CCBC Canesville and I'll be going to Salisbury next year.
My name is Corey Fields. I'm a right-handed pitcher and I attend the UNC Pembroke.
Washington Nationals.
The Orioles.
Baltimore Orioles.
Orioles.
My favorite MLB team would be the Chicago Cubs.
Max Scherzer.
Madison Bumgarner.
Yadier Molina.
Chris Sale.
My favorite player would be Marcus Stroman.
Doug Reamer.
Brady Adams.
Myself. Chase Ragsdale.
My favorite Tebow, Doug Raymond.
Moneyball.
Bull Durham.
Step Brothers.
Longest yard.
Friday.
Whiskey do my talking.
Power.
Sweet Home, Alabama.
Humble.
Sweet Home, Alabama.
Captain on the Pants.
Greetings and ham.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Where the Wild Things Are.
QB Jones series.
Elsa.
Cinderella.
Little Mermaid count?
Sleeping Beauty.
Ella.
Winning district championship in high school.
Winning the American Beach Championship this year.
Winning back-to-back conference championships in high school.
Winning regionals this year at CCBC Canesville.
Going to the WCAC championship 2 years back to back.
I'd be working a lot.
At the beach.
Probably just working.
Relaxing.
I would be working.